Hi, I'm Tiffany and I'm at CES. And today I will be showing you this interactive mirror behind me. So as you can see, there's very large LED panels around it, and it's very bright right now. You can adjust the temperature and the brightness, and this is a touch screen as well, so you're able to scroll very simply and easy through. And it's an awesome solution, as you can tell, for consumers that would like to try and see how outfits look at a storefront. It is a very good marketing solution for advertising and having in your store to increase interactivity. And it's also a 4K resolution and 10
times multi-touch. You can, yeah, that's cool.
Yes.
There's already customers using these.
So yeah, today we had a lot of interest in this, especially in like a furniture company was already envisioning how this could look in their storefront, showing high-end furniture. And this ENZO Custom, you can see these.
And it's cool to be able to see yourself. So you go and customize maybe, and then you will be able to wear the clothes in the mirror. Is it something like that, right? That's the idea a little bit?
Yeah, that's the idea. To make it more interactive, you can, because there's a camera here, you can stand in front of it and kind of visualize how it would look on you. And because this has OS system, so you can use Windows or Android, and you can use your own software on it, or it could be also like a great monitor for your system.